Big ratties girl. I come talk about picking this and 14 and 14 and 14. I'm not going to look up it now, baby woman. Always. You see? Are you older than me? Are you older than me? Are you older than me? Remember. You hear that?
The one of them would have got prison. My sister 14, Pitney. Them quick for influence. Jake's one big long time stinking man. My auntie baby father one long time stinking man. The one of them are germs. I've the little girl up there grind her out and a freak her out and a give her money and a pimp her out. Jake's a work with them at the Tyler work and get involved in the freakiness. Yeah.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set for bless. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beating as can see upon the screen like clockwork. Jake is not going to let Rosealee work upon him name anymore because you know yesterday she came out with some serious allegations that him deal with her 14-year-old sister away, you know. One man next man drop out and prison them for going all of these things. But as you can see on the screen, people is saying she's being, you know, how should I say, she's taking out her frustrations out on Jake because Akeem to go PTR party were there after Valentine's Day. Putting out the comment section what you think about that because Jake is saying that's the reason why she vexed because she come and I beg somebody from him and him never give her. And one bag of Cynthia, you know, shit. Up on arms against Nisa, because you know Jakes is screaming out these girls all and soul, you know. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
I feel like say you don't go fear away. She come with something new. Always come with something new. Maybe she say it already, because to me nothing new what she has said. She always repeat herself. You see, we have to really tell the people themselves. We have to tell the people themselves go fool girl and stop go on and gone over this and gone over this. You feel like say, you tell yourself and you feel like say, me and Nessa are fuck. So you feel like say you can come get a fuck too. You understand? Because you tell yourself say, you're a better girl for Nessa, and me a fuck Nessa so you want to come fuck too. That's what you tell yourself. I same thing you do to shit Keem, you know. Same thing you do to shit Keem. You hear so the man have a whole heap of ratties in bed and some girl where you call dirty foot. Vice know the man. And so you have much dirty girl in your bed and so want to me, go suck your mother girl. What do you mean by want to? Nobody no want to fuck you. Nobody no want to fuck you. You understand? Yeah. So just you feel like say, just you tell yourself, because tell yourself this now. You understand? You always make you know, so brother, you can't make up your lie them and believe your own lie them. You can't go so, can fuck with you. You hear that? Yeah, tell your lie them and I believe them. What am I? Report my page? Report my page? What am I do? Am I report my page? But that's not the report my page? Yeah, you will never get back on next fuck. Can't get back on next fuck. See if you get fuck. That you tell yourself, you know. You tell yourself, say you have money more than girls, say if you get fuck. Nobody no want to fuck you, Rose. Nobody no want to fuck you. And a similar thing you do to look shit up boy. When you go to ask Clark Vice now, the man boy, oh him have dirty foot girl in him bed and want to you. And the same thing you do to me now. Because you tell yourself, so, oh me a fuck Nessa and nah fuck you. That's what you tell yourself. You see it? Because the biggest issue you have, the biggest issue what cause the whole of this right now is because I feel like say me and Nessa fuck. That cause the whole of this right now. That. So yesterday the day when you come up and go like you want to style a girl, you want shit up Roger, I'm going to come fix it to her, you know, that you vex about. And I come talk about some girl not money like you and some girl not money like you and some girl not money like you. And when you have the world of money, nobody don't want to fuck you. And when you have the world of money, nobody at all don't want to fuck you. You understand? Say look man we have a drive up and down, you buy 1 and 2 fuck. You pay for everything, you know. You have to pay for the driving service and you have to pay for the fuck. You have to pay for the driving service and the blood clot fuck. I never lie that Martel. Big ratties girl. I come talk about picking this and 14 and 14 and 14. I'm not going to look up it now, be a big man, always. You see, are you older than me? Are you older than me? Are you older than me? Remember. You hear that? I come talk about blood clot, pick me on. You look at you that blood clot. Dirty front Tamara them. And so other tired body blood clot, girl. I come talk about. I know you live on a fear, I live on a fear, I live on a fear. I know which fear. For a fear. And she got you should and she got bring her to the station. She bring her to the station. Who get locked up? Who years the police come from? I never got a station for nothing but a pedophile on them. Never time. You hear that? Never. Biggie that ratties girl. But you're alright. Alright, brother. Cheryl, big up. See what cause problem there again too. See what cause problem there again too. Spicy, big up. Cheryl, big up. Everybody, big up. They don't like that. That them really don't like to again. That's one next thing we are born her. She don't like that. She and Tamara them and the whole of them. They don't like that. First I come talk about 14-year-old now. I come them out for come out for the rascal app now. Them a try. So them start talk about 14-year-old and 14-year-old. Go suck on the mama. When I take my look at punk. Yeah, I'm big that we see that girl Rosealee. Hold on no. But video this and video that and screen that voice note this and voice note that. Girl, anything you have, just any voice note where you say I play them. Any voice note where you say I play them. Big waist girl. Any voice note. Cause big ratties. Ratties. You send me text. You send me text and picture where you delete back and things for them delete, you know. You send me text and picture where you delete back and things for them delete. And I make you know so girl go one side, you know, depend that. We would never fuck your back. Nah, can't fuck your back. You crazy? You crazy? And that cause an issue. That cause the fucking bad vibes now. You understand? Shit up now, fuck you. Say you want me if you come fuck you. No. Yes it. Yeah. So it's the worst I could tell yourself, say. Worst I could tell yourself, say, all Nessa get fucked. You want fuck too? Worst you go tell yourself, say, all Nessa get fucked. You feel like, say, hey, girl, you feel like, say. Suck through your mother, girl. You can't come size up. You know enough to size up too. Big punkhead girl, you know enough to size up. You know enough to size up. You're gonna know. You know enough to size up. I just apologize to my tough, you know that. Tough. Just apologize to my people and big man thing. Deep apology. I should know so yo. This girl now not change no. A leopard never change his spot. You understand? Once a cat, always a blood clot cat. A leopard never change his spot, and me teach a girl like that. Me teach, and I come and say. So you know, so what is not him? Can't never try persona. Can't never try, I just apologize. Deep apology. To all I know. Where I say, yo, GX, no. I mean, I said, sure. Okay, but learn. Live and learn, you know. You see? Live and learn.
Yeah. All type of shit. Una drink Mali, una lick, una bite, una chew, una do batty fucking. That old germs so we see line off bugger. Where? But one back. See me a mascot, you fuck me stuff and she a 14 dog shit. And what they shot, she still don't tell her say. She still don't tell her say. What they still don't tell us? Them hide it, Andrew. Them hide it. Them hide it. Them hide it. Them hide it. Andrew, the whole of them hide it. Watch her. You know I'm gonna come spin the narrative and me go fast with him. Me lick you? Me lick you? Me not lick you. I know you're there prison. Some of you over here like your things. I know you're there prison. You jakes. A whole pass sit me for just come talk about you know all the while. I know you're there prison. I know. You're there. Cause I know Miguel got prison you figure. Cause you grind little girl too when you're 14. Yo. Nah, see this. That's why I hate you. Think I'm gonna like you? I know a long time I'm gonna hold it down. Some don't know. Some look at me don't know all a rotten mouth. Me don't know all rotten mouth. Me don't know all rotten mouth. Dirty right you will make up like gal come talk about why Rosealee don't go on back to Jakes and make. Why Rosealee don't go on back to Jakes and leave Akeem alone where I use her. Right you Jakes I grind my stuff from she 14. I'm a whole family. All my mama. Go back to war. I'm glad my boss have the court case there. I'm glad my boss have the prison sentence over me in her ears. The man do many things them years. 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 When video leak out, because they miss up a Miguel and them 3, 4, 5 and 8 some. My name in the code book. You ramp with me, you know that boy. My name in the code book. In the long book of life. It have to rest in her. My first name, my last name, my first name, my last name, and my initial in the great book.
Put in the comment section where you think about that. No people, the next trending Jamaican baby mama drama has to deal with Chris Brown. As you know, Jada Wallace is pregnant, yes. She didn't come out and tell we Chris Brown baby mother Diamond did, because the two is beefing, or all three of them, right? Jada is coming out here saying, you know, Diamond is keeping the child away from Chris, you know, his daughter with Diamond. Diamond is saying the girl for mind our business, Jada, because she's new to the program, right? Bear bagga sinting, you see me, she's going to beat her when the baby born. You see me, because, you know, baby need the time to push out and them shit them. You see me, I say one bag of sinting, you see me, I can press pause and read the girl them back and forth. You see me, I saying this was Chris' response to the internet game. So people only do the right thing because I like people business, and we are giving you the business. So like and share my video them 1,000 times on our social media platform. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell. Therefore you be notified whenever we reach out the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.